I figure I'll wear a tie-dye shirt for a tie-dye video. Just hope for the best, okay? Look at it cooking. What's up, you guys? We're back with another video. I am Ronice.Chantal and welcome, y'all. Welcome. I'm not gonna fail y'all this time. I'm gonna try to keep uploading videos for you guys and just hope for the best, okay? So today's video, we're going to be outside. I'm gonna bleach some shirts. I watched a few videos and it's got me wanting to get outside, get in my yard and bleach some shirts and put some cool images on it. So stick around, have fun, and we back, y'all. All right, you guys, I hope you guys can see me. It's kind of bright out here, which is perfect for bleaching shirts. You always want to make sure the sun is out, and yeah, you'll get the best results. So I got this setup all put together. Let me show you guys. What you would need is a spray bottle. I got like 80% water, 20% bleach. And we have a garbage bag because I don't want to put it right on the ground. My daughter's working on her pink one right there. I got a black one here, and I'm gonna work on a purple one. And I got some extra cardboard to put between the shirts. And yeah, we're gonna get this started. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna start off by making a little box right in the center for my image.
Look, moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets that taught me, moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets that taught me, I'm just trying to get my nigga paid. We came from Section 8, and I knew I was at since the 2nd grade. Man, I swear my time is coming, cause I'm never late. Came from broken homes and broken dreams.
I'm making Halloween shirts with this, so if it stays orange, I'm okay with it. It'll be perfect for, yeah, it'll be perfect for Halloween. So next you want to just go ahead and fill in your box. This is where the image is going to sit.
Even when it's slow, higher heights to balance out the lows. Can't ride the wave cause you ain't got a boat. All you niggas only need to know basis. There's a water, y'all can't fuck with my oasis. Reason y'all not winning, y'all don't know the fucking basis. Moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets that taught me, moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets that taught me, I'm just trying to get my nigga paid. We came from Section 8, and I knew I was at since the 2nd grade. Man, I swear my time is coming, cause I'm never late. Came from broken homes and broken dreams to getting paid.
Look at it cooking. And now for the back, I'm just gonna do little droplets, like just splash it with little dots of bleach. And then we'll put our image on it.
Takers and givers, I've been called the latter, but am I really a giver? If I don't give to myself, don't take care of my health, care for everyone else, I usually give away my best, but get into this reset, get into this reset, get into this reset. Takers, givers, I've been called the latter. Get into this reset. Yeah, I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked. And
here's the results after about 10 minutes or so. It's coming out good. What I'm gonna do is toss these in a washer, put a little detergent in, and then let it dry. Some people would put peroxide on it, but I feel like if you just toss it in your washer, it'll stop the bleaching process. So I know it is. So it looks like our sun's moving, so we gotta move our stuff. I got another shirt out. Yeah, I love this already. Alright, you guys, we are back. So I went ahead and grabbed a bucket of hot water just to like kind of neutralize the bleach. That would prevent, you know, holes starting. But I didn't use that much bleach. I just used 80% water and like 20% bleach, because you know you don't want too much bleach. There's the black one. I love that brown or brownish orange it's giving off. Here's the purple one. Sun's almost going away, so we're trying to let it cook as long as it can. Here's the pink one. That's looking good. And here's my daughter's this shirt, Rick and Morty. That's looking good. There's a cool design in the back of that one. I'll show you guys later. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. I'm so excited to put some, I'm thinking vinyl or DTF transfers. Yes, tie-dye season, y'all. Oh, and I added a little twist. You can't really see it. I added a little green. I found some green tie-dye that I had. Just to see what it was gonna do, but it didn't really show. But yeah, that is what it's looking like. Alright, you guys, so we are at my wash machine. Excuse all that mess, but we're gonna neutralize the bleach. A lot of people use, like I said, the peroxide, but you know, I'd rather use the good old Tide and some water to neutralize the bleach from working. And yeah, the thing about this is it takes a lot of patience, you guys. So it's a 10-step process, but once you're done with it, you're gonna love the results. And I highly recommend you get out there, bleach your shirts, and have fun with it. It's a cool thing to bond with your kids with, and you guys are outside just, you know, crafting and having fun. So yeah, so we're gonna wash those, and I will show you guys what I'm doing with it in a bit. All right, guys, we are back, and as you see, the shirts are all dried. Here's my daughter's shirt, the Rick and Morty shirt that she tie-dyed. I think it looks so cool. It looks like an explosion is happening behind the explosion. So yeah, that looks nice. She did a really good job on that one. And in the back, came out really nice. I love that. Looks like a little star in the back. Let's see if I can shake it up. Yeah, look at that. I don't even think she tried to do that, but that looks cool. And here's her pink one all dried. She don't want any design on it. I really wanted to put something on there, but she didn't want anything. But I still think that looks cute. And here's the back. Cute, very cute. Now on my two shirts, the purple and black one, we have the purple one. I was trying to figure out designs. I was trying to go for a more Halloween theme because it's the month of October, but I thought this would look cute. It's a mom mode on all day, every day. It's purple. It's gonna be on purple. Oh my god, it's gonna be so cute. And then this is for my sister, my little sister. I already showed her the picture. She says she loves it, so this will be for her because it's a size small and I don't wear small. This one is for me. I found this one. I think I have this as a sweatshirt available in my shop, so check the link down below. But if you want it as a tie-dye shirt, I can do that as well. Just let me know and I will work something out for you. So I got this Spooky Babes Club established 1629. Don't know what that means, but I love the image. So that is my black one. I'll show the back of it. But this is the front. That looks really good. Got that like dusty look to it. Love it. And the back, which I love as well. You guys gonna be like, oh my god. Ooh, look at that. Love that. I love how it has some small speckles, some big ones, some streaks. I love that so much. Leave a comment down below which colored shirt was your favorite between Rick and Morty, pink, black, or the purple one. I'm gonna show you guys the back of the purple. In the front. So this one, okay, so this is HTV vinyl that I made a while ago for my pop-up shop, but I never got to it. And this is a DTF transfer, as you can see here. It's gonna be cool. In the back of the purple, there's the front. Oh, that looks nice. I love that. Got, again, some streaks, some speckles here and there. Yeah, I totally recommend you guys getting outside, bleaching your shirts. It's a quicker process, letting it cook in the sun, as my daughter said. We gotta let it cook. And yeah, you get these nice bright effects on your shirts. So let's get this pressed out. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is another shirt I tie-dyed like earlier in the summertime. Designed by Ronice. I'm sure you've probably seen this in other videos, but I love this effect. I don't like it, the rubber band method where you have to shrivel it all together. I like my tie-dye in like different areas, as you can tell. So this HTV vinyl right here, designed by Ronice, and on the back. So I figure I'll wear a tie-dye shirt for a tie-dye video. That was lame. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start with the purple on pink, we can call it. So we're gonna start with that. At first I'm gonna press it for about 5 seconds, get the moisture out of it. Right. Next we place our image. That looks good. I'm loving the purple. I'm loving the purple on purple / pink look. So now we're gonna press it for a couple of minutes. I'm sorry, I said minutes, seconds. A couple more seconds. That looks good. I love that. What y'all think? Don't that look good? I think that looks so good. So remember, we got the Spooky Babes Club. Nice Halloween tee that I might rock on Halloween. Not sure yet. So we're gonna press this moisture out.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of their egos? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could.
You guys are going to be amazed on how this looks. Look at this. I just peeled it. Ah! Doesn't that look good? Oh my goodness. Whew. I cannot wait to wear this. So now we're going to press it for about 5 more seconds. This looks so good. Like that bleach look definitely gives it that like spooky, dusty, Halloweenish vibes. I love that so much. Alright. That looks so good, y'all. That looks so good. Whew. Be sure to hit that like button if you like this shirt. Leave a comment down below on which shirt is your favorite. Bleach. And yeah, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. All right, you guys, so how does it look? This is a large shirt which fits me perfectly. I love the fit. Got Gildan 100% cotton. What y'all think? I love this. Get a little close up. So yeah, that is how you bleach some shirts. Go out, have some fun while the sun is out and lasting. And if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I am one of a kind. I'll catch you guys in the next video.